Oh,
Wish them
on the
well.
launch,
Godspeed.
yes.
Godspeed. Well, fabulous day. It felt good out there today, didn't it, Isis?
Very nice out there.
A little less humid, you know, temperatures were a little more bearable compared to how we started this week. So we're going to start there. And also, we've got a chance of rain heading into Saturday, and the models are kind of split on the timing. So I'm going to show you both. Let's begin with the lead story and just how good it felt. 90 in San Antonio, exactly where we should be this time of year. Temperatures did not even reach the mid-90s. I mean, the highest high, New Braunfels at 94. How about Kerrville, 88? How about Bernie's high, 84? Not bad. Rock Springs was at 84 too. This was the difference. Dew points, which are elevated tonight, closer to 70 in the city, where we spent most of the day 63, 64. Felt really good. I mean, remember, earlier this week, we had a heat index in San Antonio of 113. Pearsall got up to 120 on what it felt like on Memorial Day, Monday. Skies are cloudy. Beautiful shot from the Quarry Market, lit for Mental Health Awareness Month. Please make sure you're taking good care of your mental health and taking care of yourself. Get some rest this weekend. East-southeast wind near 14 to 15 miles per hour, so a little breeze out there. Temperature 84. Our high exactly where it should be for this time of year. 2004's record stays in place, and almost half an inch with this morning's rains. It was really heavy off to our east early this morning. You can see that last rogue storm, but most of the storm stayed off to the east today, and you can see the last of what fell earlier this evening right across I-35. One little shower out there tonight is right across the north side, not very much, but look at some of this rain up I-35, out I-10, nearly 3.5 inches. North of Gonzales, 1.5 inches near Seguin, nearly 3 inches around Canyon Lake. In fact, this led to a flood advisory earlier this afternoon. So we have decaying outflow boundaries. They quiet down during the evening hours, and then they're just kind of roaming the state. And then with daytime heating, they flare up another isolated to group of thunderstorms, and they can sometimes get a little on the strong side. So tomorrow we could see that happen again, but it's only a 20% chance. Notice how the model keeps us pretty quiet down to the south and east by 3 o'clock. We expect some pretty good downpours. San Antonio stays pretty dry all day. It's not until late night, pretty much midnight to 1 a.m. Sunday, that we start seeing some pretty heavy rain to our south and west and a few showers in San Antonio. Now, it all clears out by morning on Sunday. Now let me show you the second model. It's a completely different story with a line of storms developing at about 8:39 p.m., pushing into the city at about midnight, and it's pretty heavy to the south, so they match up there, but a lot more in the offing for San Antonio, even up the 281 corridor, and also clearing out by sunrise Sunday. So kind of a split, and we do have a slight chance heading into Saturday of seeing some of those storms produce some hail, a 2 out of 5, and that's mainly from northwest San Antonio out I-10 and west to Del Rio. So the 7-day forecast, again, probability does not get better than 30%. So we're going 20% for morning and afternoon hours Saturday, and then a 30% chance as we get into Saturday night, early Sunday, and I'm talking about up to about 2 a.m. at the latest. 94 tomorrow, 96 on Sunday. And by the way, first weekend of June, always first Saturday of June, means that you don't need a Texas license to fish. Free fishing tomorrow on any Texas waterway. 96 on Sunday goes to 97 Monday, and then we're flirting with 100 by Tuesday and Wednesday both, bringing back a chance of rain on Thursday, June 6th. The 80th anniversary of D-Day.